Run, pen. Thank you for following me. Are you still yes, Kuya Controller. Magka-college na ako, next school year. Kaya nga ako nagbibigo para sa pagpasok. Hello, live. Tourism, kuya. Hello, e-book. Wow. Thank you, Kuya Controller. Hello, e-book. Thank you for following me. Thank you so much. Comment lang kayo guys kung may mga gusto kayo itanong sa akin. Yes, Kuya. Thank you for following me, Kuya ID number. Yes, Kuya Controller. Thank you for staying, Kuya Kuya, wait lang. Kuya Ipok. Hello, Mysterious Man. Welcome back again. Hello, Sukibang. Good evening. Hello po. Thank you, Kuya Sukibang. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kuya. And thank you, Kuya wait. Thank you, Kuya Ram, and thank you, Kuya Sukibang. Thank you so much. Hello, Mystery Man. Hello, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Jean. Hello, 90. Thank you for, Kuya, for supporting me. Thank you for following me, Kuya Jan. Magandang gabi din po. Hello, makes sense. Thank you, Kuya. Kuya Ram. Hello, Ipok. Thank you for following me, guys. Thank you so much, Kuya Rom. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kuya Rom. Thank you for following me, Kuya Jasons. Kailangan pa natin ng malaki, guys. Hello, Con. Thank you, Kuya Ram, ha. Super na-appreciate ko po. Need pa natin ng malaki, guys. Hello, Kuya Rins. Din pa natin ng malaki. $129. Din pa natin ng 291. Pa natin guys. Sana may magbigay pa ng gifts. Need natin tumakoto. Please. Mag-out na din ako, kuya. Maya-maya. Ano na ba bukas? 10? Yes. Magla-live na nga ako ng umaga. Para kahit pa paano makapot. Hello, mapait na chinito. Thank you for staying, Kuya Jen and Kuya Rob. Thank you po.